we would say most of the time, say there's a team for yeah, now say mobile competitive football. They have more cohesion and understanding. They have that way by neighbor now, boy, two teams in all the departments in not very well. The defensive, the midfield, and then the attack. Attack no na e kakra because into me good. Automatically say obo more na want to me answer. Yeah, because attack no and na I to sleep. But for me, and that ball na my baby no. They had the previous matches. And a year oma aboni na way is one of the best. So fortunate to be control, not for stealing or now the condition I think say the question.
Well, now can
I say strikers need good. Almost a Kotoko and yet ordinary club. An extraordinary club. To play a football better a bit taking time. Almost say so we have penetrated past side the best striker. So we need strike any year now on them one cherry. Oh, yeah, passes a man wire outstanding and as a man goes a number. But we feel say the way I almost see on the crank. Say your best starting league never 1 or 2, 3 matches and over many almost stand. Now goes no as that year. I'm sure okay, team work open source and sir to me one he said the interview to try say maybe our time and then
yes, and next week, you have a starting season.
Yes, the American say, this year, baby, all hands on deck. Then you know, young war, Timono and Peja, then you know, baby, you person a Gina. Kotoko, as he come up to my Kembaba. Head night to sneer at the same Peja. Don't you know, young umpire, Papa Fantastic. Now players no more, but for young bread and from Mao. Everyday Kotoko ya mo sa akwa wo etanya new player bi obabebi na ma be ko rough kakra but in case an ko ya me mfa tia ani atamdidie ya mo mpa pa ko mo me mfa ya tumi na fanta tree say omobo kakra no a be ye yie ama Kotoko afa no tuma pa
wait forward to the future this
make us say me moment I can have wish say benya more friendly also we here your pre-season we are starting to and we started with low matches and say what remember high profile matches. It makes me say a high profile match we any one of the high profile match ayabwa kamenya na sasa gabre woman kameka say e bet na more na coach mutumi ade access the team it me dey assist the team but on the whole no make say it's a good game man. Nsoatreman is part of the premiership teams in the two teams no ball na at the end of the day no yeah consistent with say 11 players because no person 12 players in two teams consistent players and until na make market say here consistency we say as time goes on replacement of players how our team on the whole no, it was a good game.
It was a good game, I know I attack so many.
Attack and then they make to mark say and they create chances and they will play for attack now. Make mark say for more of most good play. Yeah, intimate threatening your opponent, you know. And until like I said, and so far you have only one attacker and until no. Because and Nadia, when they assess the attacking front now, it wasn't the best because they are threatening the opponent. You know, over to my account, the number of shots a call keeper no as well. Went to me more than even 5. It make us say the goalkeeper was holiday in. And minimum say as part of team as coach necessary the team and on the attack like I said say you call am bench I will mean right to the minimum say never share the new person or the number how he will gel with the team Today's game there, you are threatening the opponent. Not your say
Now, Chama, I move for a Sunsumono. Once I feel a Kotoko start, I want a back wepra. And now her matches are me wepra. And so excellent preseason, and that's why we pra. Supporters in Sunsumono more heading. Team now Bambon.
I can say, your mom, I say, and yet injury, but to keep on for so long. And then quite severe, prayer, taking just 2 days, the Ama Pasaba back. But Sunny Okano, Yen the Drubia, a Kaka, and the football, a Drubia, a Obeng, Kotoko, you as a player, those already well there. You can just press your leg and push the way or more Kotoko now. Say, who lose football is here, which my over stretch and I said, when them grab it map. And the Bassa went to me and some mobile. Just say, was our call back now would be the Kaka. It's Maka said, for now, a report from the medical team said he is serious injury winner when you. Until let's hope say one of the minor injuries are all corner the next game for which me up. But when it comes to say sir, the young penna, you know what to do.
Now, after Baba, I'm more than send your Kotoko in Lucy.
And Obeng do baby, when it comes to operations on ways and means, maybe I would have wished to say, why a bear more silent.
There's a bear by more the best.
Jamaican say, only soldiers in Park one, among found strategy in trouble. And to me, as a person there, may you be Diana, I'm found trouble. But you say, we are quite poor, your wire, ye be a wire in terms of Bible be able to and until you have started season. At least there are certain things a club will be high, which Kotoko will also do. And I'm part so your body type players that you send away, send your okay injury, a lack ever in your matches. One of those things are supporters, and now they are, you make us say, we continue doing the past, say, supporters. Like I said, when you have a bonus, I am friendly.
Do you not see him? The game ended 0-0. What's your impression about the game?
It's a very good game. We are impressed with the performance of the individual players. We didn't play like a team because you can see that the players are new. So most of the new players will also play. There are only 2 or 3 old players. So when you talk about play, we are playing well. Yes.
What about the defense, department by department?
Yes. If you talk about department by departments, our weak point is our striking ability. Because make us see our striker is in haste to control ball and to score. It will not help him. So I think as that goes on, they will learn to know Kotoko. Because it's Kotoko they are playing. If you see this guy playing the Blue Chelsea, it will be a different person. But playing Kotoko is also a different ball game. Okay. So for us, we are concerned as supporters. We think we have a team. We continue to prepare the team, and supporters must have patience.
So the expectations should be lowered.
We should. Our expectation this year is not necessarily to win a league.
Okay.
Our expectation is to be among the top 4 and prepare a team for the next 2 years to come. So they should have that. But you see, as we go on, is it because Kotoko is a result-oriented team? It's always so. So we want to also urge the players. They can listen to. They don't listen to something in social media. Some supporters will come on them like this. We want them to experience how the supporters are.
Okay.
It is not that they don't like them because they are result oriented. Whatever happens, they should take it and just step up their game. Small. That's all. We have a team, young team. The way they play, they will want to play.
So you were impressed?
Yes. It's only few of them who are not sensitive to their environment. You see, the style we are playing, you need players who are sensitive to the environment, quick on the game. That's what they're supposed to do. But this is not our first level. Okay. People must know. Sunday, they will get to know the first 11. Then they will see that the game will be different. People should not forget that Obeng, his first prison with Kotoko in Dubai, he scored only 2 goals.
Okay.
Yes. We couldn't win any game in Dubai. We came, our first game, we scored 3-1. So Nobody should be afraid. You see, football is a different ball game. Supporter has come to watch. We as supporters, we are also preparing for the match against House of Lion. Our goal will not be less than 3. I'm promising them.
Less than 3.
Yes, the goal will not be less than 3. For Kotoko against House of Lion, the goal will not be less than 3. So they shouldn't see this game. We just use this game to warm up, to tell them the young one how they be playing. But we have headmasters. The headmasters are there. Does they play?
No.
Lamte play?
No.
This we see is, look at the injury. You are going to play for the match. You don't play your Arsenal or the Arsenal. So nobody to use this to judge Coach Ogun's first 11 or performance. We are pleading with them. This is the time for them to support our team. Otunfo said the team is for us. Whether the team is good or not good, for us is for us. I'm from Kofora.
Okay.
I'm here. Yes, I'm not from Kumasi. I'm from Kofora. Every day I'm here because of the team. So we want Kumasi people, everybody to come and support. And I'm assuring them that against House of Lion, our goal will not be less than 3.
Thank you very much.